In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the whiteboard in Google Meet. We'll go step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to turn it on during a live meeting. Let's start from inside a Google Meet session. Make sure you've already joined the meeting and that you can see the main meeting window with the controls along the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. The whiteboard feature lives inside the meeting tools, so everything we're going to do happens while you're already in the call. Once you're in the meeting, look for the meeting tools button. In most layouts, this appears as an icon or menu that groups together extra options beyond the basic microphone, camera, and leave buttons. It might look like three dots, a small toolbar, or an option labeled with more features. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the different icons if you're not sure which one is which. When you find the menu that opens up additional features, click it to reveal more tools. Inside this menu, you should see an option related to add-ons or extensions. Go ahead and select the add-ons option. This area is where Google Meet lets you connect extra tools that expand what you can do inside your meeting, including collaborative apps like a whiteboard. When you click it, a panel or window will open showing you a list or a store of available add-ons. Now, within the add-ons section, you'll want to search specifically for the whiteboard. Usually there will be a search bar at the top of this panel. Click into the search bar and type the word whiteboard. Give it a moment to load the results. You should see one or more options related to whiteboarding appear below. Look for the official or recommended whiteboard tool that works directly with Google Meet. When you see the whiteboard add-on you want, select it from the list. This will typically open a small description and a button that lets you install, open, or start using it in your meeting. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect it to your current call. The first time you use it, you might need to allow a few permissions so it can integrate properly, such as letting it share content with meeting participants. Once the whiteboard opens, it will appear either in a sidebar, a separate window, or as a shared screen that everyone in the meeting can see. From here, you and your participants can draw, write, add shapes, or brainstorm together in real time. If others in the meeting have permission, they'll be able to interact with the whiteboard as well, which is great for teaching, planning, or collaborating. Remember, everything we did started from inside an active Google Meet. We opened the meeting tools, selected the add-ons option, searched for whiteboard, and then launched it directly into the call. If you follow those steps, you'll be able to bring up the whiteboard whenever you need it without leaving your meeting or switching to another app. That's all you need to start using the whiteboard in Google Meet. With just a few clicks, you turn a simple video call into a more interactive visual workspace.